Hello, I'm going to show you my 3D printed remote control boat. I designed it in Blender because that's the software I knew. Everybody tells me I should be using something like Fusion, and I've started to learn that, but at the time this is what I knew. Because of the size limits of my printer, I had to print it in 2 pieces. I designed a controller based on the NRF24 transceiver chip. I milled the PCB on my homemade CNC machine. The microcontroller is a PIC16F1829. I used KiCad to capture the schematic and make the PCB. The remote is not pretty, but it does the job. It is based on an Arduino Nano on a small breadboard. The throttle is on the left and controls forward and backward speed. Steering is the middle lower pot. There's another pot that controls an extra servo output I'm not currently using. The 2 buttons control outputs on the receiver I'm also not using yet. Quite a rat's nest in there. I knew it wasn't going to be a speedboat, but I was hoping it would be a bit faster. It maneuvers fairly well. The motor is very small and quiet. It's probably from a cassette player. I tried swapping in this bigger motor which pushes the limits of the drive circuitry. It didn't make much difference. I think the elastic slips. Still, it's good enough to follow a fish. It's also powerful enough to pull a balloon. But why? Thanks for watching.